Christina from Christina's Crafts. I had this wreath form for quite a while. I think I got it. I had a different wreath on here, but I didn't really like it. So I am redoing it. I took off what I had on here and redoing it. So quite a while back, I got some of this Go for Faux fuzzy yarn from Walmart on clearance. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take that yarn and I'm going to wrap it around my wreath form. This is going to be a pretty easy project. It might take a little bit of time to do, but it's a pretty easy one. So I'm just going to take my yarn and I am just going to go around and just keep wrapping it around my wreath. Every once in a while I'll probably put some hot glue on there just so that I know it's going to stay good. But yep, I'm just going to keep going like this. I decided to use this yarn. I got quite a bit of it on clearance at Walmart, but I really like the blue lining in here and how the blue kind of sticks out on the wreath. So I'm going to go ahead and get this whole thing wrapped with my fur yarn. Okay, I have my wreath all wrapped. It looks super cute. And I used maybe about half of this, not even quite. So that actually didn't cost very much to cover this. So you get a ring from Dollar Tree. Even if you bought this at regular full price, which I think is probably $6, $7 right now, used to be $5, it still wouldn't cost that many. You could probably do a couple of wreaths with it. Now I am ready to decorate it. I got some of these pink trees from Dollar Tree, and then I also had some in my stash, some white ones, and I had some silver ones from last year or the year before, not 100%. But what I've been doing is I just pulled this little candy piece off of the bottom here. I just pulled it right out of there, and then I am stuck with this wire here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to stick my trees in this wreath. Now this is a super, super simple craft to do. I'm going to take some hot glue and I'm going to grab the wire right here, and then I'm going to push down into my wreath and stick my little trees in there. So I'm going to grab this one and rip that off of there. I'm trying not to bend my trees all goofy when I stick it in. Stick some hot glue on there just for the little extra hold. And then I'm gonna stick this guy up here a little more. And then I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna take that one off and stick this one on the other side. Okay, I have my pink trees in there. Then I'm gonna take a white and a silver one yet. And I'm gonna stick those in the front of those trees. Let's see. Yeah, that should look good. So this is a nice, simple, easy craft. You could probably do this with a child too. Help them out with it. All right, my trees are on there. Now I just need a little something on the top yet. Let me take a look through my stash, see what I can find. So I figured out what I'm gonna do with this. I have this chopping mat that I got from Dollar Tree. It has some glitter on it now, but that's okay. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut out a circle the same width as my wreath here, so it fits on the back. So I'm not going to get too technical or anything. I'm just going to kind of do the best that I can. But I want to cover this back part of the wreath. So I'm probably going to go about here. I know, I should measure stuff out. I never measure stuff out. Just want to make sure that it covers the back of it. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and I am going to trim these edges up here so it isn't sticking off the sides and it just kind of goes around. Okay, so I have my, well, somewhat circle cut out. It's obviously not perfect, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put this little hanger on here I think the stuff is from Dollar Tree. Just gonna stick some hot glue on there and attach this on both sides. Try to make it even so it hangs straight. Well, as even as I can get it. All right. Let's see. Oh, geez, there's my dog. Oh, Lily. I don't know what I'm gonna do with her. Oh, she's barking at somebody outside. That's my girl. All right. That is on. Let's see. That should be good. Okay, and then this is gonna get put on the back here. So I want to make sure these are covered up. So I'm probably gonna go like this. So I'm just gonna put some hot glue right at the edges. And stick this on the back. Now that that is on, flip that over. That looks pretty good. And then I think the last thing that I'm gonna do is I have these snowflake stickers that I got from Dollar Tree, and I'm just gonna place these on this little backing here. I thought about putting lights behind this. You could definitely put lights behind it. It'd probably look really cool. But honestly, I just don't turn the lights on like I always think I'm going to. So I'm just gonna stick these little snowflake stickers back here. I wish I had some smaller ones. I would have put a bunch on, but that was what I had. All right, and then I think I'm just gonna call this one. I think it looks pretty cute just the way it is. So that's it. Super easy, simple. Looks really cute. Different color combinations. You can do any colors you want. That's it. I just want to say thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'd really love it if you subscribe, hit the bell so you get notified when I upload, and take care. Thanks. Bye.